Together, RoyalTey Kids, here we go. Big brave hearts and minds that glow. Maya leads, Jay moves fast. Zion builds ideas that last. Amara paints the world so bright. We learn, we lead, we shine our light. RoyalTey Kids, come join the ride. Big lessons with friends by your side.
It was another bright day at RoyalTey Academy. The team was heading to the STEM lab for today's big bridge building challenge. Zion had an idea in mind, but he stayed quiet. Today's challenge was to build the strongest bridge in class. Maya helped organize the supplies, Jay carefully stacked the craft sticks, and Amara sketched colorful ideas for the design. Zion quietly studied the bridge supports in his notebook, noticing a better way to make it stronger. Everyone worked together, excited to test their creation. The bridge began to wobble. Everyone held their breath. The bridge collapsed into a pile of sticks and blocks. For a moment, the room went quiet. Zion looked at his notebook and realized he knew exactly how to fix it. He just needed the courage to share. Maya reminded Zion that quiet ideas can be powerful too. The team leaned in and listened carefully. Using Zion's idea, the team rebuilt the bridge stronger than before. This time, it held everything perfectly. Zion smiled proudly. He learned that great ideas do not need to be loud to make a difference. Because Zion shared his quiet idea, the team unlocked the Innovation Star badge. Great job, little legends! See you next time, little legends. Don't forget, great ideas don't have to be loud.
RoyalTey Kids, come join the ride. Big lessons with friends by your side.